This is Ring doorbell footage of police chasing Harold Crowder on Columbia Street after he led police on a high-speed chase in Portsmouth. Mike Van Rom says he rushed outside when he heard all of the commotion.
I was watching TV and through the glass I saw a truck rush by, then like 3 or 4 police cars following him. My Ring video caught pretty much the entire chase.
Neighbors on Columbia Street say they saw Crowder leading police on a chase into these woods, leaving tire tracks that go all the way back to that hill you see back there before they say he ran into the woods towards South Street. Police say the high-speed chase started on Deep Creek Boulevard in Portsmouth when authorities saw Crowder driving a stolen Toyota Tundra. While fleeing from police, Crowder struck another vehicle in the area of High Street and Airline Boulevard.
I'm just thankful he didn't hit my car. Usually I'm parked further down the driveway, so thankfully I parked it closer to the house.
He said he'd heard about the manhunt for Crowder Tuesday morning when police put out a notice for his arrest. Monday night, police were called to Maori Drive in the Western Branch area of Chesapeake about a suspicious man breaking into cars. Police say when they approached Crowder, he pointed a gun at officers and started shooting. Police did not fire back and no injuries were reported.
The whole thing is crazy to me. I'm just glad he's caught.
Other neighbors we spoke to on South Street say they quickly rushed outside to see what happened in their quiet neighborhood.
Well, we were getting ready to leave, and I seen all that. Kept hearing sirens.
Crowder is being charged with a misdemeanor of tampering with a vehicle and a felony charge of discharging a firearm. He is being held at the Chesapeake Correctional Center. Leondra Head, News 3.